Com en qualsevol altre producte de l'activitat humana, també en el binomi educació i tecnologia cal que mirem des d'una perspectiva d'ètica. En principi no podem dir que la incursió de les tecnologies dintre de qualsevol situació educativa generi nous problemes, però sí que és veritat que la tecnologia agreuja determinades circumstàncies, com qüestions de plagi intel·lectual, com qüestions de ciberassetjament, etc. I d'una altra manera també hem d'inserir una mirada que ens indiqui com des de l'educació podem resoldre grans problemes que afecten aquest binomi entre tecnologia i educació.
En la configuració d'aquest grup hem tingut en compte la presència tant de persones de l'àmbit universitari, però sobretot buscant també que hi hagués participació de professionals que lliguen al voltant de la temàtica i que tenen una experiència prou important i prou interessant, sobretot a sentit de legislació, qüestions de seguretat en la xarxa també, d'aspectes delictius, de protecció dels menors i altres detalls en aquesta línia. A més, hi ha un altre perfil que ve més associat al que és l'àmbit de l'educació, així com persones especialitzades en el que és estrictament l'ètica.
I'm Dr. Don Alcott. I'm with the University of Maryland University College. I'm a professor of educational leadership and open and distance learning. I'm here in Tarragona, Spain, working with a number of colleagues from across Spain and Catalonia, as well as around the world, looking at issues relative to ICTs and technology and education. In particular, I was invited to be part of this forum on the line of ethics and technology, looking at some of the ethical issues that the advances in technology, the internet, security, plagiarism, a variety of those kinds of issues that have emerged here in the 21st century. The process is going to be sort of some preliminary work this week, and then we will come back for an international forum later in June that will be held here in Tarragona, which will include people from around the world who have an interest in this particular area. The issues are complex. There are 11 actually lines and themes in which the International Forum will look at, ethics and technology being only one, but other kinds of issues have to do with teacher training programs using technologies, how do we create smart cities, issues of innovation, technology, and science, so a whole range of issues. And obviously many of these have similarities and are not isolated or don't exist by themselves. They're all interconnected. So it's been a really good week in which to explore some of these issues at the initial stage, and then our work will carry over the next 2 months, and hopefully we will have preliminary final documents at the conference in June, and then later in September we will have final documents that will be distributed and made available on the web and through other marketing advances. In particular, one of the things we're doing here is trying to take a look at what some of the principles and guiding practices are around the world and how we can bring those in and use those in ways that can benefit the people and students and society here in Catalonia in particular, because obviously language and culture and the applications of technology vary across the world. So again, thank you for this opportunity. It's a pleasure to be here. Moltes gracias.